Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I am back with another review and today I am going to review Wonders AI. So Wonders AI is a tool that lets you conduct various researches, but the research process on this tool is very different from other ones. So you can research from different angles on Wonders AI. For example, all you have to do is just provide a topic and then you can research from different angles. So by that I mean you can add various specific questions, you can add various keywords in order to focus on those keywords on the research. You can also select or deselect, add or remove certain questions from the research. You can also provide various context, the things that you know and the things that you do not know about the research. And there are also various tools such as the explainer, the AI explainer. So it is going to explain any sentence, any word that you select. So overall, Wonders AI is very different from other research tools. I'm going to show you that in a bit. But this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $200, but at Appsumo you are getting the tool at only $69. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So as you can see on top, you can see all of the tiers. So the tier 1, tier 2, 3 and 4. And you can also see all the limits. So the AI searches is 100, 500, 2500 on tier 3, which is massive. And on the tier 4, it is unlimited. And then there are also seats, which means how many users you can add. So only one user on tier 1, tier 2, 3 users, tier 3, 5 users, and tier 4, 10 users. And then there is also collaborative workspaces, project boards. And then there is this team dashboard, team roles, and organization administration. So these three features are not available on tier 1 and tier 2. So keep that in mind. And then you can unlimited chat with the paper. You can create unlimited personal workspaces. You can also have the option to export bibliography unlimited times. You can download the reports unlimited times. There is AI summaries, AI explainers, AI research assistant, unlimited citation generator, and 500 million scholarly sources, which is massive, I have to say that. So you're going to get answers from the massive library, and there is also pattern search. So if you want to buy Wonders AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now, before I show you how Wonders AI is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. Okay, so here's the roadmap. As you can see all of the features that are currently under consideration. So here are all of them, as you can see. So there are a lot of upcoming features, a lot of exciting features that are going to be added soon to the platform. And then there are also all the features that are launched. Now let me show you how Wonders AI is going to work. So after you log in, you are going to get a dashboard just like this one, as you can see, and on the left side you can access the notebook, the bookmarks, the list. You can also manage your workspace. And here's the box where you have to provide the research topic. So let me provide one. So here's my topic that I want to conduct a research on, AI tools for diagnosing mental health problems. And before I show you the research, there are also some options at the bottom, such as all the projects. So as you can see, I have created another project and that is on here. I can also see all the recently viewed project, all the concluded ones, in progress ones, and shared with me. So now as I have provided my topic, so I'm just going to click on create project and the research process is going to start. And you can see everything, all the processes in real time on here. So first of all, we have this background section. On here, we can provide various background about our question. So I have added one question, but I can also add more questions on here if I want. All I have to do is just remove this one and then I can add another. I can also provide some context about the question that I have on top. And then I can hide the AI generated titles if I want and click on next in order to add that question on here on this search option, academic search option. So as you can see, based on the topic that I selected, I can see the research results on here. I can also ask a follow-up on here if I want. I can see all the academic questions, all the academic suggested topics on here, as you can see. I can refresh the topic list if I want. So after refreshing, I think the topics are going to change. And I can also select the patterns. So if you remember, I told you that there is pattern search, Wonders AI. So that is exactly that. As you can see, all the patterns related to the subject that I have provided on here, all the patterns are also appearing on here. So I can also select any of these patterns in order to enhance my research. I can get the summary on here. As you can see, the summary is loading. And just like that, I can also go back to this academic. For example, I want to add another question. So as you can see, I have added another question or topic on here. So I can also get the summary on here. So as you can see, after adding this topic, the summary is going to be appearing on here. And this summary, the AI tools for diagnosing mental health problems, this summary is also appearing on here. So just like this, every time I select a topic, I am going to get this summary and all the details about that topic on here. I can also ask a follow-up question about the particular topic that I selected. I can use various search filters in order to filter out certain years, or I can also choose to show high citations or most relevant ones or the new ones. I can also get the full papers, and I can also search by the author name. And there is also this Boolean search editor. So I can also add the search with adding certain keywords. So the AI is going to focus on certain keywords. I can also add various groups if I want. And then at the end, I can also get some more topics, topic ideas or the research. So just like this, every time I add a question, there's going to be one section just like this one. There's going to be summary and then a box to ask follow-up. I can also use the search filter in order to filter out certain results, as you can see. And the best part is there are also some features at the end. So I can select any text in order to explain that. For example, I want the AI to explain what is NLP. So all I have to do is just select this. Okay, as you can see on the notebook section, I can see what is exactly NLP. So just like this, I can select the AI to explain a certain sentence. And other than that, there is also this option to save a new idea, save an agreeing idea, save a conflicting idea, save a notable info. I can also create a custom highlighter if I want. And once the research is finished, I have added certain questions, all the questions that I want to this research on here. I can also analyze all the searches, which means all the searches on here. As you can see, I have added 3 searches. So I can also analyze all the searches to come up with one single conclusion using the AI. So as you can see, here is the conclusion. And on the conclusion, all of the sources that I have added, all of the questions or the topics that I have added, they are also being considered. And here is the final result, final research on here, as you can see. And obviously, if I do not like this one, I can also regenerate this conclusion. And the best part is I can also share it. So all I have to do is just copy the link. Wonders AI promote collaboration. So you can collaborate with your project members. All you have to do is add your team members, and you can add your team members from this team. So you can also collaborate with your team members on a certain research. And here's the link. Here's the link for this particular research. And once the research is complete and you want to export it, just click on here. And for exporting, you have multiple options. You can either export using a PDF or even docx, that is suitable for Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and also LaTeX. And if you want, you can even download the bibliography in different formats, as you can see, and different styles. So as you can see, the researches that I have conducted, all of them are appearing on here. And I can also see all the companies. I can create various companies in order to separate various researches. I can also create workspaces, multiple workspaces for multiple clients or different teams. And there is also this notebook option. So I can also create a new note on here. This is basically a note taker. And then there is also this bookmarks. I can also save various sources, save various articles or information, and then I can also see them on bookmarks. And then there is also this list. So overall, I think Wonders AI is an excellent tool that lets you conduct researches. And the best part is this is not a very generic or very traditional way to conduct research. This is very different. You can add certain topics from academics, or you can also add topics from patents. You can search the patents. You can add various topics based on various contexts. And once you add a topic, you're going to get the summary. You can edit that topic in order to get certain keywords, in order to focus on certain keywords. And then there are also a lot more features on Wonders AI that can help you save new ideas, or you can also get explanation of a certain sentence or a word or a concept. And once your research is ready, you can analyze all of the info, all of the topics that you have added in order to get one single conclusion. And then you can also export that. And other than exporting, you can also share that with your team members. So if you want to buy Wonders AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all these tiers, and these are all the limits of these tiers.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.